Next is the high-tech education business, among the business areas of IEG. IEG continues to develop various types of educational equipment in the semiconductor field to nurture human resources in the semiconductor field, which is the core business of the country. The world's first 8 semiconductor process equipment allows students to practice assembling, disassembling, and controlling all stages of semiconductor manufacturing, from design to manufacturing. Among the 8 major semiconductor process modules, the photo process is subdivided into LPM, pre- and post-process aligner, spin coater, developer, bake, plasma, and photo process, enabling in-depth learning of the process. Educational equipment in the semiconductor field is supplied to educational institutions such as Gangwon Technopark, specialized high schools, junior colleges, and universities. Since 2015, IEG has been continuing the Smart Factory construction project for small and medium-sized enterprises and the human resource training project necessary for the construction and operation of smart factories. Through the establishment of an advanced smart factory testbed, we are presenting a guide for the transformation of companies into smart factories and suggesting the direction of nurturing human resources in the field of smart factories. Through the world's first 5G-based robot demonstration center construction project, we are realizing the construction of a manufacturing plant without time delay using the data generated in the manufacturing environment using the 5G network. IEG develops a curriculum for building smart factories and fostering operating engineers at educational institutions, such as universities, including the Small and Medium Business Training Institute for Job Transition Education for incumbents in the smart factory field, and dispatches professional instructors. As the introduction of robots increases due to changes in the manufacturing environment, we are continuing the business of introducing robots in manufacturing plants, as well as supplying equipment necessary for nurturing human resources in the field of robotics. The integrated operation system of the Smart Factory in the Future Vocational Education Center of the Daegu City Office of Education provides a high-level practice environment by linking industrial robots, collaborative robots, AMRs, and various sensors. IEG continues to build robots in the manufacturing environment and build training centers as an SI partner of various robot manufacturers such as Rainbow Robotics, Omron, ABB, and KUKA Robot, including self-developed mobile robots. In addition, we continue to develop equipment to nurture human resources in the field of electrical and electronic and automatic control, which is the basic technology of technical education. Based on our experience in building in-house technical training centers for large companies such as Samsung Electronics, LG, and Hyundai Motor Group, we are continuing the construction of training centers for overseas corporations. IEG has a lot of experience in building basic training laboratories at specialized high schools and universities across the country, and is actively involved in the development of new technology curriculum.